If you're thinking about buying the PurSteam 10-in-1 Steam Mop to make your cleaning routine easier, hold on for a minute because I've got some surprising insights that might change your mind, or at least make you think twice before hitting that buy button. But here's what surprised me. This mop, priced at around $90 and boasting a 4.2-star rating on Amazon, promises to steam clean your floors chemically free in just 30 seconds. Plus it doubles as a handheld steamer for your clothes and upholstery. Sounds like a dream, right? However, there's a catch, an unexpected downside that's not immediately obvious. Stick around because I'm going to reveal all the pros, the cons, and whether this gadget lives up to the hype or if it's just another steam mop leaving you more steamed than clean. First off, who exactly is this product for? If you're a pet owner, a parent worried about harsh chemicals, or someone searching for an all-in-one tool to both mop your floors and freshen up your clothes, the PurSteam 10 aims to tick all those boxes. It promises versatility with its slew of attachments like small and big brushes, angled nozzles for tight spots, grout brushes, even a carpet glider. But as we peel back the layers, you'll see why versatility can sometimes come with compromises. I started using the PurSteam with high hopes. After all, a steam mop that heats up in 30 seconds can clean everything from hardwood to grout and steam your drapes. That sounds like a time saver. Right out of the box, the mop looked promising. Lightweight, with a swiveling mop head that claimed to maneuver easily under furniture and into corners where dust bunnies dwell. Plus, the included measuring cup and funnel made water filling a no-brainer. So here's the first twist. While filling it took seconds and the steam did come out quickly, the actual performance on different surfaces left me scratching my head. On laminate floors, the mop breezed through dust and light stains. But when it came to tougher grime or dried spills, it felt like the steam alone couldn't lift the mess without some serious elbow grease. And here's where my first "wait, really" moment happened. The mop cloths, while washable and reusable, smudged some dirt around more than actually picking it up cleanly. So yes, chemical-free is great, but if you need to scrub anyway, what's the point? Moving to tile and especially grout lines, this is where PurSteam hopes to shine with a special brush. But here's the kicker. The grout cleaning attachment worked, but it was slow and needed multiple passes to even make a noticeable difference. So, if you're expecting instant grout revival, brace yourself. It's not magic, more like hard work with steam assist. This made me wonder, is it worth calling this a grout cleaner or just a glorified scrub brush with steam? That's a question only you can answer based on your cleaning motivation. Now, about the handheld steamer function, the real selling point for many buyers. I was curious if this would replace my iron for wrinkle removal. Simply detach the handheld unit, hang your clothes, and steam away. Sounds easy enough. And it is, to a point. The handheld steamer did a decent job on shirts and lightweight fabrics, but thick garments or stubborn wrinkles required repeated steaming and a lot of patience. Also be warned, water refilling and waiting for reheating between bursts can interrupt your flow and turn a 10-minute task into 30. So if you hate multitasking or your patience is thin, this could be frustrating. One of the funniest quirks I found was this. The mop's handle collapses for storage, which on paper sounds like space-saving magic, but in real life, it felt fiddly and like it might snap if I'm too rough. So it's like a folding chair that's lightweight but you wouldn't trust with your in-laws dropping by. In terms of accessories, PurSteam scores high. They include everything from a scrape tool to a squeegee and brushes designed for different surfaces. It's like a Swiss Army knife of cleaning gadgets, but remember, owning many tools doesn't guarantee you'll be a cleaning ninja. It's how well each tool executes that counts. And here's the blunt truth. Some tools here feel more gimmicky than game changers. The scrape tool, for example, works fine, but you'll likely rely on your trusty old sponge or rag for serious spots. So what about the user experience? People rave about quick heating times and lightweight design. And yes, this mop beats older bulky models on those points. However, Several users pointed out leak issues if you're not careful while filling, and that the steamer sometimes spits water instead of releasing pure steam, leaving floors damp longer than expected. If you have kids running around barefoot like me, wet floors are a no-go zone due to slip risk. Let's add a little humor here. If you buy this mop expecting it to do your chores while you binge Netflix, you'll be sadly disappointed. This isn't the magic wand for lazy cleaning. It's more like an enthusiastic puppy who's eager but needs a lot of training to get right. On the bright side, the PurSteam does offer chemical-free cleaning, which is a huge plus for families wanting to avoid harsh cleaners. The ability to clean a wide array of surfaces without switching devices or detergents makes it attractive. It's lightweight and easy to handle, especially compared to bulky steamers that need a PhD to operate. But why the 4.2-star rating then? The answer lies in the mix of praise and frustration. Users love how fast it heats up and enjoy the cordless-like freedom from harsh chemicals. Yet many reviews mention inconsistent steam output, some durability concerns, and the need for patience when using the handheld steamer. Essentially, it's a solid mid-range product that doesn't excel in every area but won't completely disappoint either, if you adjust your expectations. Before we wrap up, here's a question. If you're buying this mop to replace multiple cleaning tools, is it really saving time? Or are you adding complexity by managing extra attachments, water refills, and occasional smudges? It's worth considering. However, for those focused mainly on steam cleaning floors fast and occasionally needing to freshen up curtains or clothes, it delivers decent value for under $90. Now, here's another joke for you. Why did the steam mop break up with the vacuum? Because it wanted a cleaner relationship. All right, my humor might need some freshening up, unlike your floors. To sum it all up, the PurSteam 10-in-1 steam mop is a versatile, chemical-free cleaning device that offers quick heating, multiple functions, and thoughtful accessory options. Yet it comes with caveats: spotty grout cleaning, occasional water spitouts, and the need for some effort on tougher messes. It's not the miracle mop that will do your chores solo, but it's a tool that can simplify parts of your home care if you use it with realistic expectations. And here's the final twist. While it's not perfect, the PurSteam 10-in-1 puts a lot of cleaning tools into one package at a very affordable price point. So if you're on a budget, want eco-friendly cleaning, and like the idea of one device for multiple uses, it's definitely worth considering. In fact, if you want to check the best price and current deals on Amazon, I've put a link in the description below. Go take a look because deals fluctuate, and you want to snag it at the best possible price. So should you buy the PurSteam 10-in-1 steam mop? My honest take: yes, but with realistic expectations. It's a handy helper, not a miracle worker. If you're ready to put in a little extra elbow grease alongside steam power, it won't let you down. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more honest product reviews so you spend your money smart, not sorry. Happy cleaning, and hey, if your floors ever need a pep talk, just remind them this mop's on your team.